babes, we're gonna jump right into the video. I'm starting off with a fresh face. I did go ahead and moisturize with my Fresh Rose Deep Moisturizer, and I'm gonna prime with my Fenty Primer. Of course, this was just a really quick glance at a quick and easy soft makeup look, easy for pretty much anyone to get up and go, nice and glowy. So I'm just mixing all of that into my skin, making sure that I'm hydrated, and then I'm taking my Fenty ProFiltr foundation. I believe I am the color 260 or 250 right now. I've kind of been playing with different colors just because my skin is lightening up because it's the winter, of course. And so I'm just taking my beauty blender, or actually this is the Fenty sponge. I did go ahead and wet it with a little water just to cause it to swell a little bit, just to kind of make everything look like skin, and I'm just putting that all over the face. And you guys, if you have not seen my video on microblading, definitely make sure to check that out because I won't be filling in my brows for this. I'm just going to go ahead and outline with concealer. So I am taking my matching, I believe this is a 260 concealer as well by Fenty, just to go ahead and give myself just a small highlight under the brow area just to kind of carve those out, and then also under the eye just to make sure that everything is lifted and I don't have any, you know, dark spots or I guess redness under the eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a soft blending brush just to really get rid of all that product and kind of smooth everything out. And then I'm gonna take a larger powder brush just to go ahead and blend everything in. This does cause everything to look really, really soft and natural. So definitely make sure that you use that tip if you guys are still using beauty blenders for it, which is still not a bad idea. Then I'm going to go ahead and take Truffle, which is one of the beauty sticks, just to go ahead and carve out my face. Nothing too harsh. I'm even doing this on my eyelids just to give a little bit of definition. I've used this trick like for years, just, you know, to give my eyelids a little bit of color. Then I'm going to go underneath my waterline area just to kind of give a little bit of depth underneath the eye area. Then we're going to go ahead and blend that out with another Fenty brush. You guys can definitely change out the products. You know, the idea is just to show you how to do a really quick, simple glow, I guess, type of look. I couldn't get it out. But anyway, taking some translucent powder. This is actually the Fenty one, and just setting all the areas of my face that I had that concealer. Nothing too crazy. I'm not going to like sit and let it bake for too long. I'm just literally lightly setting the areas because I will want some of my natural skin to kind of peek through. So I am going for a softer look, as you can see. So just kind of get that going, and then I'm going to take that, I believe this is a duo. This is also by Fenty. I'll leave all the details down below. And yeah, I'm just using that as a blush, and then I'm taking the orange side just to go over my eyelid to give a little bit of a highlight there, and then also taking Trophy Wife all over the lid just for a little bit of shine and sheen, add a little bit of glimmer to the skin. You definitely could stop here if you feel like, you know, you don't want to be shining too much if you want. And then I'm taking, dang, I don't even remember this color, but nevertheless, another Fenty highlight that I'll leave in the description box below just to kind of highlight all the areas of my face. As you can see, we're going for a nice, soft, natural glow. So I'm going to take Truffle just to use that as a lip liner, and then going over that with my Fenty gloss just to kind of give my lips a little hydration, smoothness, and then taking one of my favorite mascaras. Again, I'll leave that down in the description box below as well. But yeah, just to kind of pop those eyes out. You guys can definitely opt out of that bottom mascara if you don't want it, but this is the finished face. So really quick and straight to the point. If you guys are interested on the hair, that will be my very next video. I love you guys so much. Subscribe. I'll see you later.